Today I am going to start this for class 12 mathematics part 2 integration, that is integration by substitution. Now I am going to start the exercise. This is exercise 7.2. Your first question is, this is exercise 7.2, and your first question is integration 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Now you have to integrate it. So you see how I am going to do it. Let 1 plus x square is equal to t. Now when you differentiate it both sides with respect to t, the dx with respect to x, that is ddx 1 plus x square, that is equal to dt by dx. You are going to get here differentiation of one constant is 0 and x square is 2x. 2x that is equal to dt by dx. So here 2x dx is equal to dt. Now I am going to put the value of 2x dx dt. So here you see dt and 1 plus x square, that is equal to t. You get log t plus an integration constant, because this is an indefinite integration. So here this comes an integration constant. Now again I replace the value of t, that is log 1 plus x square plus c. So this is your answer. So in substitution method, first of all, when you see the question, what is the trick lying behind it, you must observe it minutely, that if you select something, its differentiation will be present in the question. If you select something, the differentiation will be present in the question. And if you can do this selection, this is very easy for you. Now I am going to the second question. Your second question is, here you see your second question. Your second question is that is integration, that is log x the whole square by x dx. So here you see, if I suppose log x, so we know that the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So let log x is equal to c. When you differentiate it, ddx log x is equal to dt by dt dx. So you are differentiating with respect to x. Here log x, that is equal to 1 by x, that is equal to dt by dx. So dx by x is equal to dt. So here you see in this question that dx by x, see here dx by x, this is equal to your dt, and your log x is t. So when you place the values, we have what? Dx by log x, that is t square, and dx by dt, that is t. So when you integrate it, that is t to the power of 3 by 3 plus c, integration constant. And now we place the value of t, that is equal to log x to the power of 3 by 3 plus c. So this is your answer. Now I am going to your third question. Here your third question is, here you will see the third question. I am moving to the third question. Your third question, 1 by x plus x log x. Now integrate it, 1 by, when you integrate it. So what I am going to do here, see here dx and x common, 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x. Now here you again you see, if I suppose log x, and it's, when I differentiate it, I will get 1 by x. So again, if we take this 1 together, because differentiation of any constant is 0, so it is better to take 1 plus log x is equal to t. So when you differentiate it, differentiation of 1 is 0, and because it is a constant, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x, and dt is dt by dx. When you move here, this will be dx by x is equal to dt. Here you see again dx by x, here you see this dx by x, that is equal to dt, and 1 plus log x is t. Now I am going to place the value, that is dt by t. So here again your integration is log t plus an integration constant, and this log t is equal to log 1 plus log x plus c. So this is your answer. Now I am going to question number 4. Question number 4. Your question number 4. Here you will again see that. Question number 4. Here this is integration of, that is sin x, integration of sin x, sin cos x dx, integration of sin x, sin cos x dx. Here again you see that if you because here cos x, it is in the form of angle, sin bracket cos x. So if you select the cos x, then when you differentiate it, you will get sin x. But when you say sin x, it will be easier for you. So let us take, let cos x is equal to c. When you differentiate cos x, you will get minus sin x, and that is equal to dt by dx. So minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So here sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now here you can again, you see here that sin x dx you can replace by minus dt, and sin instead of cos you can write t. So here you will find that, that sin t, sin t because cos, and sin dx, that is equal to minus dt. So here now integration of sin t, that is minus cos t, and an integration constant. So here this will be plus, and again I am going to replace the value of t by cos. So this is equal to cos x plus c. Here this is your answer. So here what I have done, I have taken cos x as t, and when I differentiate it with respect to x, where here I get minus sin x and dt by dx. So sin x dx, it is minus dc. Instead of sin x dx, I have placed minus dt and sin t, that sin t, and integration of sin t, you know that it is minus cos t. So minus, and now I back replace the value of t, that is cos, and this is your answer. Now I am going to the next question. That is question number 5. Your question number 5 is sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b. Now integration of this. So here what I am going to do, I am going to, this big question I am going to minimize it. How I am going to minimize it? You know that sin 2 theta, the formula of sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So here your 2 by 2, that is 1 by 2 outside, sin ax plus b and cos ax plus b dx. So here 2 sin theta cos theta, its formula is sin 2 theta. So it comes out to be sin 2 ax plus b. So here dx. Now again 1 by 2 sin, here this is 2ax plus 2b by dx. You have already studied that in integration, that is integration of sin mx dx, that is equal to minus cos mx by m plus c. The constant, it gets divided in the integration. So here the constant which is attached to the variable. So here the constant attached to the variable is 2a. So it is now you can easily there is no need of taking let here, no need to suppose 2x plus 2b. Instead of supposing 2x plus 2 as t, you can directly use this formula, because sin mx, that is when there is a constant, when a variable is multiplied by a constant, that constant gets divided. So here the constant is 2a. So 1 by 2, here this will be 1 by 2, and this will be into 1 by 2a, and this integration of sin x is minus cos 2ax plus 2b and plus an integration constant, so your result comes out to be minus 1 by 4a cos 2ax plus 2b plus c. So this is your answer. Remember that the constant which has no variable, there is no effect on it. Only the constant which is multiplied, which the variable containing the constant, that very constant gets divided in the integration. So this is your answer. Now I am going to your next question. Your next question is, you will see the next question here again. Your next question is question number 6 here, that is integration of root ax plus b dx. So here you see, because this is a chapter of substitution, so let me first of all show by the help of substitution. Again I will show a direct method which will be very easier for you. Here what I am going to do, let your ax plus b is equal to t. When you differentiate it both sides with respect to x, when you differentiate it both sides with respect to x, you will get here a, and this will be constant is 0, this will be dt by dx. So a dx is equal to dt, so your dx will be equal to dt by a. So here what happens, here again you see here that integration of this, that is equal to root this value I have taken as t, and this is dx, that is equal to dt by a, where this is a constant, I have kept it outside the integration sign, and now this is a constant, and now here you find that this is t to the power of half, root means t to the power of half, and when you integrate it, I am going to get t to the power of half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. So here you see that this will be answer comes out to be, here your answer comes out to be, here this is 1 by a t to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So this is 2 by 3a, and what's the value of t? T is, that is ax plus b to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Now I am going to your next question. Your next question is, and I told you that instead of substitution you can do this question directly also, that is directly you can do like this, that is integration of ax plus b to the power of half dx. Here you can do this directly. Here the constant a, it will be get divided here, and this will follow the rule x to the power of n dx, that is x to the power of n plus 1 and n plus 1 plus c. You will follow this formula, this very thing will follow this formula, but only the constant it will get divided here. So your result comes out to be ax plus b to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1, and here constant it gets divided, so here this is, now it will comes out to be, that is 3 by 2, so 2 by 3a, and this value will be ax plus b to the power of 3 by 2. So this is your answer here. So this is your answer here. Now I am going to the other question. Question number 7. Here you will again see I am going to the question number 7. So here question number 7, that is question number 7. Here you see the question is x root x plus 2, then integration dx. Now how I am going to solve this by the help of substitution. What I am going to do is that I am going to take the value of x plus 2 as t. X plus 2 is equal to t. When you differentiate it, differentiation of your x is 1, 2 constant is 0, and this is dt by dx, so this is equal to 1. that is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt. This is your, now here what I am going to do means here instead of dx I am going to replace it by dt, and here x plus 2, you know it is t, but what will be the value of x? The value of x I will take out from here. So this will be x is equal to t minus 2. So integration x t minus 2 root t dt. This is your root t. So this comes out to be this. Now I am going to apply the distributive law, that is t root t dt minus 2 root 1 minute. That means minus this will be minus root t, this will be 2, that will be, this will be now again integration root t dt. So here now I am doing a little bit of shortcut, that is root t. You know that the t root t is 2 to the power of half and t to the power of 1, same base as per the exponent's law, it gets add up. So 1 plus half, that will be equal to 3 by 2. So here this will be equal to t to the power of 3 by 2 dt, and minus 2, this will be t to the power of half dt. So now I am going to apply the formula. So here it comes out to be how much? T to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1, and minus 2, here this will be t to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1, and again an integration constant. So here this will be 5 by 2, so 5 by 2, that means 2 by 5. Here this will be 2 by 5, and t, the value of t is this will be, and 5 by, so this will be equal to x. So your answer comes out to be, your answer I am writing it here, I am giving the answer here. So here the answer will be this is 5 by 2, 5 by 2, that is 2 by 5, and 2 by 5, t value of t, that is x plus 2 to the power of 5 by 2, and here this is equal to minus 2. Again here this will be how much? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means again this will be 2 by into 2 by 3, and this value will be x plus 2 to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. So here this will be answer. So little bit I am going to, so here you see this is your answer. So your answer will be 2 by 5 x plus 5 x plus, it will be x plus 2 to the power of 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 x plus 2 to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. So this is your answer.